Hello friends, welcome back. This is yet another video on STAAD PRO, which focuses on design of a column. We will be taking a very simple column. Let's directly go to the description of the problem. So this is the description of the problem. Um, Design of a column using STAAD PRO. It is a short column of RCC, and it carries a factored load. That is, the load is multiplied by partial factor of safety of 1.5. This is an actual load. There is no eccentricity. That means the load exactly coincides with the center of gravity, or it could be well within the core of the dimension of the column. It is the length of the column is 4 meter long, and both the ends are restrained, and we can use M20 grade concrete and Fe415 steel. And one more thing is we are going to assume the dimensions of the column as 500 meter by 500 meter. So let's go back to the STAAD. So click on new plane short column. I'm just naming the file name as short column. Length is in meters and kilo force units are kilonewton. Click on new. So this is plane. Click on add beam, finish. We'll get a grid. Now what you do is just draw a column. Length is 4 meter. So just switch off this grid, hide this grid. So this is a 4 meter length column. You can check the dimensions. So display, this is 4 meters, right? Now the next step is put the end conditions of this column. So go to the general, go to the support conditions, create a restraint support. So all degrees of freedom are arrested. So just select this, just click on assign to view. So both ends are fixed. So both there's a fixity at the both ends. Now go to the properties of the column, define. It is a square column we are designing of 500 mm, so 0.5 meter by 0.5 meter. Material is concrete. Add. So select this and simply say assign to view. So the dimensions are assigned. You can check, just double click, you will get the dimensions, 4 meters length, and overall depth is 0.5 meter. Next step is application of the load. So let us create the load cases. Go to the general, go to the load cases, load case, add. The first, let's create a dead load case. Dead load. Under this, okay, close this window. Under this, add self-weight vertically acts downwards, add, and also create a factored load vertically downwards, that is the nodal load. So it acts at the node. So minus 2400 kilonewton. That is the factored load. Add. Okay. So take this, select this self weight, assign to view. Next, take this design load. Let's check the design load. Minus 2400 kilonewton. Just select this, assign to view. So load will be applied, right? Now, you have applied the properties, you have applied the loads. Now, let's click on the analysis, all, add, perform analysis. Just run the analysis once, save it. So, this is the analysis. So, this is the analysis. Now, we are interested to design this, design concrete and select the code as IS456. Okay. Define parameters. Sorry. Select parameters first. You will get parameter selection window, out of which we are interested in compression strength of concrete one and yield strength of main steel is the another one. Say okay. So let's define these parameters. FC is equal to M20 concrete, that is 20,000 kilonewton, add, and also Fe415 steel, add. Go to the commands. We are going to design the column only. Select the column, add. Now just take FC, that is the compressive strength of column, assigned to the view, assigned. Take steel, assigned to the view, assigned. Design of the column, also assigned to the view, assign. Now just go over here, run analysis. So you are going to get the design. There's the results. Concrete design, you can see the concrete design, right? Similarly, you can also see the details, reinforcement details and other details over here. Concrete design, this steel bars, right? So this is so simple using STAAD PRO. That's all from this video. Thank you.